Hello students, today we will learn about enlivening a presentation. Microsoft PowerPoint provides various tools and features to enhance the appearance of a presentation. These special effects assist you in making your presentation attractive, effective, engaging, and professional. The use of special effects create a better impact on the audience. Let us quickly recall what is the difference between a slide and a presentation. Let us take a quick view. The shortcut to open Microsoft PowerPoint is Windows key plus R key. The Run box appears. Type in PowerPoint and press the Enter key. Before moving forward, let us first learn about applying animation effects. The ability to move objects like text, graphics, charts, logos, etc. in any direction of the slide is called animation. An animation controls the order or flow of information and helps in increasing the interest of the audience. You can animate the text, pictures, shapes, and tables, smart art, graphics, and other objects in a presentation by applying sound effects, visual effects, including movements. Follow the given steps to make specific changes to text and objects. Open any presentation. Select the object you want to animate. Select the Animations tab and click on the Animation pane button in the Advanced Animation group. Click on the Add Animation button present in the Advanced Animation group. A drop-down menu will appear with 4 different kinds of animation effects, which are as follows. Number 1. Entrance. As the name suggests, these effects decide the manner in which an object enters into a slide during the slideshow. These effects make an object fade gradually into focus, fly onto the slide from an edge, bounce into the view, and so on. Number 2. Exit. These effects control the manner in which the object exits during the slideshow. Some of these effects are disappear, fade, fly out, fly in, etc. Number 3. Emphasis. These effects can be seen when the object is on the slide during the slideshow. These effects make an object shrink or grow in size, change color, or spin on its center. Number 4. Motion paths. You can use these effects to make an object move up or down, left or right, or in a star or circular pattern, etc. These effects enable objects to move from one position to another on a slide and on the specified path during slideshow. You can apply any one animation effect to an object by using the options in Animation group or combine multiple animation effects together. To view more animation effects of each type, select the desired option available at the bottom of the Add Animation drop-down menu. Place the pointer on any animation effect to preview its result on the slide. Choose the desired animation effect from the Displayed menu. After applying an animation effect to an object or a text, you will notice that a number tag appears near the object on a slide pane. To specify or set the timing of the effects, use Duration field available in the Timing group. It helps to change and control the speed of animation effect. Likewise, you can set the delay time before the animation begins using the Delay box. Click on the Play button in the Animation pane to preview the effects applied on the slide. You can make use of the Reorder buttons to change the order in which the animation effects appear. Students, to remove an item from the Animation pane list, select it and click on the drop-down arrow next to it and select Remove. Students, in the Animation pane, a number 0, 1, 2 indicates the animation order. Star symbol indicates the type of effect used for text and objects in a slide. Let us know more. Number 1. The Animation Painter option in the Advanced Animation group copies the animation from one object and applies it to another. Select the object and double-click this button to apply the same animation to multiple objects in the presentation. Number 2, if you want to remove the animation effects, click on the object and select None option from the Animation group on the Animations tab. Number 3, click on the Apply to All option in the Timing group on the Transitions tab to apply the same transition effects to all the slides. Number 4, click on the Preview option in the Preview group on the Transitions tab to play the transition effect. Alright students, let us learn how to add transition effects. Transition effects appear when one slide changes to another during slideshow view. You can apply transition effects to a single slide as well as to all the slides. Follow these steps to add transition effects. Select the slide on which you want to apply a transition. Click on the Transitions tab. Transition to this slide group appears on the ribbon. Click on the More drop-down arrow to display all the transition effects. Click on any transition effect from the display choices. The current slide will display a preview of the selected effect. Select the effect options in the Transitions to this slide group to select an effect for the chosen transition. Click on the drop-down arrow of the Sound option in the Timings group and select any sound effect of your choice. Click on the Preview button present at the extreme left on the ribbon. Observe its effect. Specify the transition timing by entering the number of seconds or minutes in the duration box in the Timing group. Select the On Mouse Click checkbox if you want to advance the slide by clicking the mouse. Click on the After checkbox if you want the slide to advance automatically to the next one. You can also specify the slide advance timings in the Spin box. Click on the Apply to All button to apply the selected effects on all the slides. Otherwise, those effects will be applied on the current slide only. Open the Slideshow tab and click on the From Beginning button. The slides will be displayed from the beginning along with all the applied transition effects. Students note that the Effect Options button in the Animation group gives different direction options to each transition. Students, let me share a tip with you that you can also apply transition effects in Slide Sorter view. Open the Transitions tab and select the desired slide transition effect. Okay students, let us discuss about inserting sound clips. Sounds effects can be added to a presentation to highlight certain points and hold the interest of the audience in the presentation. Sound can be added in the presentation from the file stored on your computer. You can even record your own sound or can also add music from a CD. Adding sound from a file. Select the slide where you want to add sound. Select the Insert tab and click on the Audio drop-down arrow in the Media group. Choose the audio from the File option from the menu. The Insert Audio dialog box will appear. Locate the audio folder on your computer and select the required file. Click on the Insert button. You will notice a speaker icon on the slide. Two additional tabs named as Format and Playback appears under the Audio Tools tab on the ribbon. On the Playback tab in the Audio Options group, select either Automatically or On-Click option from the drop-down list of the Start field. The Automatically option will start the sound automatically as soon as the slide appears in the slideshow view, whereas the On-Click option will play the sound only when you click. To play sound, click on the speaker icon. The Play or Pause tab appears right below the speaker icon. Let me give you an important tip. To continuously play a sound clip, select the Loop Until Stopped checkbox in the Audio Options group on the Playback tab. Let me tell you how to insert your own sound. To add your own sound to the slide, first you have to record it. While recording your sound, it is essential to connect a microphone to your computer. To record audio, follow these steps. Select the slide where you want to insert the recorded sound. Click on the audio drop-down arrow in the Media group on the Insert tab. Choose the Record Audio option from the drop-down menu. The Record Sound dialog box appears. Click on the Record button to start recording and click on the Stop button when you finish recording. Now you can use the Play button to listen to the recorded sound. Click on OK if you want to use it. The audio file will get inserted in the slide. Once the audio file is inserted, the audio clip icon appears on the slide. The Format and Playback tabs appear when you click on the audio clip icon on the slide. Students, to make a duplicate of the current slide, press Ctrl+D key combination. Alright students, note the fact the recorded sound files are assigned the extension .wave. Okay, let me tell you how to insert video clips. Video clips add liveliness to the presentation. You can add video clips from the Microsoft Clip Gallery, which contains a wide range of art, sound and video clips. Video clips can also be added from any CD-ROM. Select the Insert tab. Click on the Video drop-down list in the Media group and select the Video from File option. The Insert Video dialog box appears on the screen. Select the required video. Click on the Insert option. Similarly, you can add the clip art video to your slides. The Format and Playback tabs appear whenever you click on the inserted video. You can format the inserted video by clicking on the Format tab and selecting various formatting options from it. Click on the inserted video clip and select the Play button below the video clip. The video will start playing. The timeline next to the Play button will begin to advance. Click anywhere on the timeline to jump to any part of the video. Let us know more. If slide layout has a content placeholder, click on the Insert Media Clip icon to insert a movie saved on your computer. Students, note that in Microsoft PowerPoint 2010, you can also embed videos from websites like www.youtube.com into your presentation. Alright, now let us learn about using action buttons. In PowerPoint, we have the facility to link to a web page, email address, file, slide in the presentation, and a slide in a different presentation. This can be done using hyperlinks and action buttons. Action buttons are built-in button shapes that you can add to a presentation and set to link to another slide, play a sound, or perform some other action. You can also assign actions to clip art, pictures, or the text in Smart Art Graphic. When one clicks or hovers the mouse pointer on the button, the selected action will occur. Open an existing presentation. Select the Insert tab and click on the Shapes down arrow in the Illustrations group. Select the desired action buttons from the bottom of the list. For example, click the Action button, End option. The mouse pointer will change into plus shape. Click and drag the mouse diagonally. As soon as the mouse button is released, the Action Settings dialog box will appear. Enter Select the Mouse Click or Mouse Over tab. Selecting the Mouse Click tab means the Action button will perform its action only when clicked. Selecting the Mouse Over tab will make the Action button perform its action when you move the mouse over it. In the Action On Click section, select Hyperlink to, then click the drop-down arrow and choose any option from the menu. For example, previous slide, first slide, or last slide, etc. To link to a file created in another program in the hyperlink to list, click on Other File. Select the Play Sound checkbox if you want to play a sound when the Action button is clicked. Select the sound either from the drop-down menu or select Other Sound to use a sound file on your computer. Click OK. Now press F5 to view the slideshow. Click on the Action button in the slideshow and observe the action. Let us know more. Action buttons do not have to be inserted on master slides. You can insert an action button on a slide if required. Let me tell you more about hyperlink. A hyperlink is a connection from one slide to another presentation or any other file or any website or web page. It can be applied on text or objects such as pictures, shapes, etc. Students, let us see how to import data from other applications. PowerPoint has the facility to import data from Word, Excel, etc. and use it in your presentation. Importing data saves your time and efforts. Follow the given steps to import data from MS Word. Click on the Start, then go to All Programs, then go to Microsoft Office, then go to Microsoft Word 2010. Click on the Outline button in the Document Views group on the View tab. Type the text as shown in the figure and click on Close Outline View button to return to the Print Layout view. Select Types of Software and apply Heading 1 from Styles group on the Home tab. Select Microsoft Word and choose Headings 2. Select Microsoft Excel and apply Headings 3. Similarly, select Corel Draw and apply Headings 3. Apply Heading 1 on Corel Photo Paint and Heading 2 on Flash and Adobe Photoshop. Click on the Save button on the Quick Access toolbar. The Save As dialog box appears. Type the name, Types of Software in the File Name text box and click on the Save button. Now exit from Microsoft Word. Start Microsoft PowerPoint and open any existing presentation. Click on the View tab and select the Slide Sorter button. Now click on the New Slide drop-down menu on the Home tab. Select the slides from Outline option. The Insert Outline dialog box will appear. Browse the location of the Word file Types of Software. Select the file and click on the Insert. Observe that 2 new slides will get inserted and display the text in a style which you have applied. Time for a fact file. To print a slide with the default settings, click on Print option in the File tab menu. Okay students, let us take a recap of this chapter. The ability to move your objects like text, graphics, charts, logos, etc. in any direction of the slide is called animation. Transition effects appear when one slide changes to other during slideshow view. Sounds effect can be added to a presentation to highlight certain points and to hold the insert of the audience in the presentation. Action buttons are built-in button shapes that you can add to a presentation and set to link to another slide, play a sound, or perform some other action. You can import data in a presentation from other applications like Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, etc.